So first. Oh my gosh, you're so funny. What up, y'all? What up? You're so funny. Yes, you are first, my gal. How you doing? Happy Saturday afternoon or evening. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Um, Man, I was like, damn, I missed the stream. I just saw the purple bubble in Discord. Yeah. Today was all about the family. Today, my son had practice. My daughter had like two different activities. She's in something called Map Pentathlon. And then she also had a basketball game. She's 9 years old, but she's playing with 10 and 12 years old. So, she's getting into it. So today was all about the family. Got home maybe about 3. Then me and the wife, she was like, I'm going to go get a pedicure. You want to come? And I was like, heck yeah, I want to go get a pedicure. So it was a good, nice spending time with the fam. Much needed for sure. And now I'm back here. Now I going to take some time for myself. I have a lot of stuff to do. And I'm so happy that I was able to spend the time and that you showed up. Look at that. That's what's up. How you doing? How was your Saturday? How's your kiddo doing? Oh man. Hope you're having a fantastic time. This is the first time I'm trying out the Restream that you told me about. So hopefully it pops up on both YouTube and the YouTubes and the Twitch. Hopefully there's not too much lag. Looks like there's not. Maybe my internet is kind of good. Let me just double check my YouTubes. Okay, look like it's working fine. Though I need to keep the chat open because I don't know how chat works here. Yo. All right. It is time. I'm over here dozing off for real. We had MVP Developer Day today. Okay. Where me and all the devs I trained at the end of the year had a working day with a group of founders. That sounds pretty interesting. It amazes me that I don't think you have a lot of time, but you make the time to do a lot of stuff. Like you're very intentional with your time. And that's a skill, to be honest. But how did that go? You said MVP developer today. All this train at the end of the year had a working day with a group of founders. Okay, so do y'all like meet to discuss certain things, or what is all that about? If you don't mind explaining, while I like work some stuff in the background. I am gonna jump into a lot of things today. I'm hoping I can get a good productive hour, 2 hour, and then kick it back tomorrow again and do it again. But yeah, comment me a little bit about what we had going on. How do I hide? Can you hide people in Figma? I don't know if I want to show my wife's face in Figma yet. Can you hide the comments? Maybe her face can. Her face is public on LinkedIn and Instagram, anyways. I just don't want her name to pop up on accident, because then it shows my last name and stuff. It was awesome. It's a 6-week program where devs are paired with founders here to develop their MVP. That's super dope. That's really super dope. That's like a much needed thing, because a lot of developers don't understand what an MVP is. Like, I had to have that conversation with my wife. Like, MVP needs to be like very, very, very tight. Like, you don't even know if it's gonna work, so you just got to get it out there to work, right? Usually can't find enough devs, so we started training them. Nope. Yo, mira quién anda por acá. It's my boy Josué. ¿Qué pues, compadre? ¿Cómo estás? Espero que la estés bien, brother. La verdad me tenías preocupado. No sabías dónde estabas, no sabía qué pasaba. Muy chévere que estás por aquí ahora, brother. Gracias por pasar y gracias por contestarme por el Discord, porque ahora sé que estás bien y no estoy tan preocupado. So that's what's up, bro. Yeah, Jose been on the stream. For those of you who don't know, Jose been on the stream since I started pretty much streaming, which is about a year now. And he's like nonstop supporting me, and I really appreciate him, like for sure. Genuinely sitting in a room full of people I trained, watching them kick off client work, and I was so proud. I bet you are. I bet you. I mean, that's a sense of gratification you get when you get a sense of proudness to see the people you're able to help and influence, and to see them kind of grow in that like environment. I bet you feel so proud about that. That's awesome. You know, hey, maybe you and I could do an MVP session. I still need to hit you up low key to chop it up about some other stuff, because you have like some great ideas. I think, and like your I just, yeah, like I said, I need to like pick your brain on how you go about being intentional about the things you do, because you do like you're pretty consistent. That's something I'm not. So, como te digo, pequeño incidente computacional, pero todo está arreglado. Listo. Con tal de que estés bien, estamos bien. Así que chévere. Hey kid, I know we be trying to find time. Yes, we are, and we will. We gotta make it happen. Let me check out this YouTube stream. Okay, no chats on YouTube. I don't understand this restream. It's my first time doing this restream stuff. So let's see what happens. All right, looks like it's okay. I don't want to like kill my bandwidth by opening my YouTube stream on the side, but all right. Been working on finding. Look. Oh, okay. No, appreciate that. Thank you. So now I'm able to see the chat that you posted from YouTube. I see in this chat. Dope. Okay, this is perfect. Thank you so much for doing that, by the way, Metadev girl. We've been working on finding the right balance for years. Yeah, like I said, it's a skill. And things about skills is that you can grow, right? Skills are something that can be taught, can be learned. So, but it sounds, from a bird's eye view, for me, it looks like you know what you're doing, right? I think you already got it handled, right? But you worked on that for so many years to get to that point. So can't take away from that, right? You sounds like you have man, I'm losing my words now. But yes, I admire that. Just saying. But cool. Full welcome again to watching the stream. I've been having quite an intense week as far as me personally dealing with some stuff. And honestly, I didn't think I was gonna stream today. I really didn't. I was really dragging myself to stream, and even to stream tomorrow. So I really appreciate y'all being here. It might be a tough one for me today, but I'm gonna try and focus on the things that I need to get done, and just keep coasting through that. You just never know what people are going through, right? So I want to kind of speak about this a little bit out public, so whoever's watching can know that they're not alone. I know I'm not alone, but it's still difficult for me to deal with certain things. Yeah. Anyways, not trying to get too deep into that, but I do have stuff to do today. I'm going to focus on low key on what I got to do. And we go from there. Mira, brother, que no has estado por el stream, no sé si te acuerdas del lab que estaba haciendo para lo de YouTube y no sé qué. Pues hoy lo voy a rediseñar. I'm about to redesign this whole thing. So my wife, she is a UX researcher. Not to be confused with a UX designer or a UI designer, right? A UX researcher, for those of you who don't know, a UX researcher, what do? They study the behavior of humans. They study how we interact with certain things. They study with what is it that make people click on certain buttons or interact with certain things when they are in, using your applications, for instance, or a product for that matter. So her approach to this design that we see here was trying to make it more usable for the app. My app that I initially had, as you can see here, right? It made sense if you knew what you were looking for, right? There's a search bar, you can search for stuff, you can have like your details, and then we don't understand what these bars are here. Like, does it even make sense to introduce all of this stuff? Yo quiero ver cómo quedará toda la app con el rediseño. Sí, vamos a ver. Ahorita voy a enseñar cómo va, a qué vamos, and we're going to see how it should potentially look. But this is what I have today. Today, this is what this app looked like, right? I have a search bar, I have search results, I have details. You can follow people, which is probably a bad word, right? Because if you do follow, am I following the person? I'm not following their socials, right? So it might not make a lot of sense. But then after that too, we have like this whole favorites concept. And then based on this favorites concept, you can create a widget. But you really have to understand what you're trying to do in order to build, to make this app, be functional to you. So my wife went in, she looked at the whole thing. She's like, okay, I explained her everything. And she kind of like said, okay, well, a lot of this is not really usable. It's just kind of like slapped in there, which makes sense because I'm not a UX designer. I'm not a UX researcher. You know what I mean? I'm an engineer. I think for me, what looks pretty is my code. What's up, buddy? My bad. So usually I wake up in the morning super early to code and to stream. That way my family don't kind of like, I don't take away time from them. But they encouraged me today to go ahead and go stream, and they're still up, right? Everybody's up at the house. So I am going to probably have some visitors throughout the day. And that's cool. That's okay. But back to this, my wife, she's a UX researcher, and she is trying to convert my app to be more usable. So this is what it looks like now. Okay. We're still trying to narrow down on text, typographies, colors we have narrowed down. We're still trying to narrow down on like certain little small things. But overall, this is what is going to look like moving forward. So the idea is, right, what is this app for? Let's start again from there. Why am I building this app? I'm honestly building this app for me, first of all. And second of all, there are some apps out there where I feel like I could compete with them because they have like over 1 million downloads and it doesn't really look good. It doesn't really is functional, and all the reviews is like a lot of ads, too many ads. So I would like to improve that experience, and I would like to, like I said, build this app for me. Well, what does it do? It's an app where I can keep track of multiple of my social profiles. Sorry, one sec. Sorry about that. Like I said, I'm gonna have visitors. All right, so I guess I'm transitioning to the realm of being a content creator, but also, I want to build my apps for a living. That's what I want to do. But as I build my social following, I would like to keep track across multiple social platforms. What are my stats looking at? Like I would like to see my growth, as the years go by, as whatever. So This app is for me to be able to link my social profiles or keep track of my social profiles and just keep track of its statistics from my phone. Very simple. There's a lot of other tools out there that you can find on the web. A lot of like paid services that you can use as well. But for me, this is just going to be focused on YouTube, only YouTube. The next step is we're going to introduce TikTok, Twitch, X, or aka Twitter, right? Use all of those stuff to be able to link all of those social profiles, and then ultimately I can see an aggregate of all of those profiles, right? So if I have 100 followers on YouTube, 100 on Twitch, then I can say I have 200 total followers, and I want to just kind of keep track of that over time. That's kind of the gist of that. So here, as soon as we launch the app, there's a disclaimer that needs to be said because of the API of YouTube. But here we have like this ability to pin multiple channels. For instance, MetaDev Girl, she had a gaming channel, and she has her channel for her coding, where she has her podcast and where she streams, and she has her shorts around engineering aspects. So if she wants to pin both of those social profiles, she could. So eventually you could probably pin your Twitch profile here or your X profile. Eventually we're going to get to a point where we can merge all of these things, but for now, phase one, like I said, is just YouTube, so I can keep track of all my individual profiles here. The next step will be sorry about that. Once you pin, that's kind of how we see it here. Like I said, we still got to figure out some of that stuff here, how it looks. But okay, not only you can pin your channels, you can have certain channels that you want to save, that you want to keep track over time. So like, for instance, I'm curious about my competitors. So MetaDev Girl, unfortunately, you are a competitor of mine, right? We kind of like are in the same space, but that's okay. Competition is always good, and plus we kind of touch different things in the same bubble, but we kind of like in the same space, right? So if I want to keep track of what MetaDev Girl does and pin my profiles, I'll be able to do that here. Or if I want to like look at Josué, no me acuerdo si tiene YouTube, but it doesn't matter. A bunch of different save channels I can look at and then keep track of them in my save or pin it here. Cool, so that's that phase. The next piece is the search. As y'all can see, this is what the search used to look like. It's ugly. I like this one. It's a little bit more clean. And it has a circle, it's a little bit more clean. And then this is the new detail screen. You go to the detail screen. This is what my detail screen used to look like. I like mine's a little bit more, I think, but this is more functional. I don't know. Actually, no, I don't like mine's more. I'm in the fence, but this is what the new detail screen is going to look like. All right, you're going to have like a profile, the ability to pin. I need to also have the ability to add this area. I need to figure out eventually, but then we're going to have like your subscriber views and your posts. And then we're going to have to figure out this wording eventually, because for now, like I said, it's just YouTube. And then this is what it could look like potentially once we have like our pinned channels and our saved channels. And then in your saved channels, it will look like this, right? Something kind of like the search. And then the last thing, which is our widget, which used to look like this. Now we're going to have two different type of widgets. And this is still, like I said, we're still in the process of finalizing these things. But you can decide what size of the widget you want it to be. It could be this big or this big, up to you. We're playing with the idea where this could potentially just have one data point. So it could be like one thing that says just 205,000 subscribers. I don't know how to edit all of this, so I'm not gonna mess around with it. But I guess this is kind of like the overview. Just I think from a functional perspective, this one is better. There are some elements that I like here, just because I am biased, right? I built it myself, but this feels more functional. So what are we gonna do today? I have no idea, to be honest. I don't know where I'm gonna start with this, but it looks like the colors have changed, right? We have these new elements. The good thing is that we already have data, right? We already have data. So now what we want to do is jump into writing the code. Okay, first things first. I need to save where I'm currently at in my app, right? I need to, and this is where I'm going to talk about why is it so important for you to have source control, right? Source control can be in the form of Git, SVN back in the day, but if we can tag the app at where I'm at today, then I can always revert to that point in time, right? So I'm gonna first add a tag to this app, and then I will jump into start building or breaking out a lot of the new UI, changing the UI. So let's just jump into that right now. Vamos allá. Y'all let me know if this doesn't look, if this is too small of a text. If not, we should be good. All right, let me see here. First things first, I just want to commit the last final things. Yeah, these were MVP elements. This was good. I don't think I needed this. Oh, I don't want to change this one, no. Roll back. Yeah, roll back. This one here, yeah, we can do that. So just saturate it. Fine, we'll just do that. Actually, this might give me some issues. Updated on. Laria. I'm gonna keep this as updated at for now, and I'm not gonna use this updated on because I know there's some issues with conversions, and I have a to do here because it's right now returning in the wrong time zone. So let's go ahead and just commit this for now. Social stat widget, yeah, here, and I think this is good. So final commit before redesign. Okay, dope. All right. So now what I'm gonna do here, because I do not like to, all right, I don't like to use the GUI for Git a lot. So we see here that I have my development branch and my origin development. Let's just update this. Git, oh shoot, yeah, I get it. All right, so if I take a look at this again, we should see now origin development are in the same branch. So now I think this is a good spot for me to tag. And the way we do it is pretty easy. Git tag, and I'm gonna give it 0.001. 0.00, yeah, 0.01. Yo, bro. Pues, compadre, man. Yo, hey, for y'all who don't know, Therapeutic, that's my guy, bro. That's literally my brother, for sure. Mira este tipo, bro. I never in my life expected for you to come here. Super activado tirando los Bro, tú estás loco, man. Yo, when we're playing League of Legends again, bro. My boy Tyro, man, this guy, super proud of you, bro. Tonight, listo. I'm gonna stream for probably like an hour and a half, and I hit you up when I get off. Or no, you hit me when you get on, so we can play. Because yeah, we gotta play. Maybe I'll stream some League of Legends too, so y'all can see how I suck at League of Legends. So git tag, as you can see here now, we have a tag for this one, and then I think we gotta push the tags. I forgot how to push tags. I haven't done tag in so long. Dale, ya está. Duro, duro, duro. Mira, brother, ¿sabes el mix que estoy escuchando? Es el de DJ Land DX. El DJ Land DX. Alright, so for y'all who don't know, well, y'all don't know, but Tyro Tank, as I mentioned before, I used to do music, right? Well, he's the one I used to do music with back in the day. Like when I first started, it was him and I, and yeah, it's we go way back. We go way back. He's the one that could actually sing. I was the one who was doing the engineering shit, and he's the one that could like sing and rap and do all of that stuff. Let's see, git tag. How do I push a tag? Git push origin. Okay. Yeah, we enigmatic. That's right. Bro, yeah. I had to bust out the flow upon the crew. Oh man, make them don't know. Así fue. Git push origin 0.0.1. All right. So I have my tag there. If we look, all right, dope. Tag. Find the lock. Find the block. Bro, you can't reveal too much, right? Just kidding, right? Estás de pinga, bro. You funny. I'm sweating now with all the laughing. All right, let's try to build this out now. Okay. Let's see here. So, let me run this here. You don't know. All right, come on. Did you run? Install successful. Did it crash? Logcat. No, you did not crash. Worker result. Level error. Uy. Bro, ¿cuándo lo vas a tirar el código? Yeah, I have some crashes here. What's going on here? Cores. I don't think it's something I need to. This is the ads. Okay, this is not something I need to worry about. Not right now. Oh shoot, yeah. I don't want you to. Oh, that's right. I don't want you to run it on my Pixel Pro. There we go. All right, run. So we're about to go ahead and Tyro, you had a YouTube, didn't you? He used to be like, were you at like number 4 on WoW and tanks? I don't remember. Something is going on with my app. Tyro tank hard. I don't remember what your stuff was. Ah, dang it. Yeah. I'm doing ads. I know. I had a couple top 20 US kills. Yeah, bro. Yeah, you were up there. Era un duro. I mean, and now you got a life. now you're busy, bro. So you can't dedicate it as much. You don't suck, bro. Used to be like, oh, you still, man, yeah. I can't exactly. You can't play 7 days a week anymore. That's just it. Life happened. All right. So I think I'm now set to get started. What do I want to do first? If we take a look at this app, oh shoot. Right? This is what it looks like right now. We're gonna start like this. So I can just redo this here. Okay, yeah. We're gonna worry about this. I'm not gonna worry so much about the pin. I can, which I can do like constraint layout for this. Yeah, I could do constraint layout for this if I wanted to. If y'all haven't done Jetpack Composer constraint layout, it's pretty easy and it's pretty nice. So I could do constraint layout with this. It's not even a card. It could be a box. It could be a card. It could be a card actually. Yeah, it could be a card with a border. I wonder, I'm not gonna think about that right now, but okay. It's gonna have a title, it's gonna have an icon on the right. This is gonna have something that pops out. the arrow will only appear if we have data before. That's another thing that I'm gonna have to figure out. There's this historic aspect of this app, like historical tracking aspect of this app that I need to think about. So I'm not gonna think about it right now. We're just focusing on UI, Jetpack Compose UI today, right? Así que lo que vamos a hacer acá is a card with a title, an icon, a middle. We're gonna have this centered. It's gonna be very similar to this one. Okay. Yeah, I see what I'm gonna do. All right, let's jump into that. So, landing screen. Oh, no. DJ Landos. All right, no, don't show my keys. I don't like that this is all over there. Okay. Listo. This is the landing screen, and I want to see, okay, social setup. Social. All right, no quiero salsita, pero sí quiero otra cosita. Vamos con este. DJ Landos. All right, let's go. Let's see here. All right, so this takes up about, let's see here. This is a 380 by 345. Then we have to take account for the add portion here, right? So it looks like this has a distance. I wish I could like, oh, there you go, 29 dp maybe, 56. This is, okay. Social stat hub is gonna be, it doesn't, this is always white at the top, right? It looks like, okay. So see, that was a problem that I had with this app. These colors, how they change. These are always white at the top. So let's start with a toolbar, because toolbars are always hard to deal with. And for me to figure that piece out, I need to go here. See, I can rip this out now. I can rip this out. Yeah. So let's see here. ¿Qué tenemos acá? Mira. It's a box with a team, and we have the nav host with the view model here. I might have to refactor a lot of stuff here. ¿Qué pues, Miguel? ¿Qué pues, compadre? Gracias por llegar acá. Por ahí está Josué, que te tienes que conectar con Josué el duro. Y aquí también está el Pandaki. El Tarotan. So this background color change might not have to happen anymore. Instead, we're gonna go back here where main activity is. Mira, ahí está el José. Conéctate con Josué, Miguel. Él también está en el Discord, pero como se cayó, he fell off the face of the earth. Estaba por ahí perdido porque tenía problemas técnicas con la laptop, pero ahora regresó. Así que se conectan, que él también está en México y pues es bueno conectarse con gente que hace Android y pues pueden discutir acerca de toda esa vaina. All right, so see here, Windows status bar color. I'm changing it here. I don't think I need to do this anymore. So let's get rid of this background color change. This is not gonna happen anymore. And then in these, what I'm gonna do, yeah, it has a unit. That means I won't need this to do anymore. Yeah. Okay. For now. And then we'll go back here on the main activity. We don't need this. Instead, we're just gonna set the background to, I forgot how to do it actually. Aquí andamos todos ya al 100. Activo. Oh, te sale el comercial. Hey, me pagan cuando sale el comercial, brother, así que gracias. Malavia. Yeah. So I want to look here. There's something I need to take a look at. Right, want to see Jetpack compose status bar color. I don't usually like going to Stack Overflow. I like to go to the actual documentation because then I'll get a full understanding of what's going on. But now that I think about it, didn't accompanyist status bar color? Yeah. ¿Cuál cuenta? Hay que pagar los biles. Pero lo que está diciendo el Taro es que sí, por los ads me van a pagar a mí, así que oh, te salió comercialmente. Oh, listo. Estamos bien, todo bien, tranquilo. System color, set system bar color, color transparent, use dark icons. Okay. I don't think I have accompanies here. This library is deprecated and the API is no longer maintained. We recommend forking implementation. What? No, we don't want to do that. Android developer, status bar color, Jetpack, compose. I'm gonna have to just go to Stack Overflow. See, they're using accompanies. Really? No, we're gonna do it how I was doing it a second ago. Okay, I see. Window status bar color equals color that white. Let's just leave. Was it like that? It had to be RGB. Okay. That to RGB. So let's run this real quick. So this should be white once it runs. It's white. This is white here, right? We see here. But we want to change the full top part here. Okay, we don't want it to be white. We want it to be black. And actually, do we even want it to be black? We probably want it based on our... Man, I'm not feeling it. Based on our team here. Yeah, we probably want it based on our team here. Local view current. Actually, mira, no necesitamos esto aquí. Queremos utilizar esto, el social stats team. Oh, this is already in the app. Okay. So let's run it again and let me take a look at the team. Okay, listo. So in the team here, let's read this. Dark team, dynamic color team scheme. Okay. What's the dark color scheme? Purple, light. But I need the top status bar color, the primary. No, I don't want the primary. The status bar color is gonna try to take this purple, right? If I change this here, mira, vamos a ver esto aquí. Vamos a cambiar esto aquí, a ver. Color that black, that to RGB. Let's see what this does. All right, we see how it changed to black here, right? So I want this to be either white for now, right? We want it to be white. So let's change this to white if it's in dark team. If it's not in dark team for now. So if dark team, we're gonna do something black first. Yeah, let's do black, I guess, for now. Otherwise, we're gonna do white. But this piece is to do should be based on team. I don't know why it's defaulting to blue. It shouldn't default to blue. Seguro. Fíjate. Oscuro. All right, it's right here, but see the inset color changed, and false. Let's change this here. I just want to see here. What does that look like? Épale, algo pasó ahí. Algo está cambiando el color acá arriba. No sé por qué. Because this is supposed to change the color. All right, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to get rid of all of this for now. I just want to see the toolbar change. Ve, quedó así y yo... Ok, no quiero que eso se quede así. Quiero que quede negro. Pero no está cambiando. Ok, let's see pink or green. Great, that's fine. I want to verify that my changes are actually coming in. Okay, it's white up there. That's why it's looking white on white. So how do I change the status bar? Okay. Is appearance light status bar? This might be true. And if this is true, then that means it should paint it black. There you go. That makes sense. So if it's dark theme is gonna be black, else okay. So it will be if it's not dark theme, right? Listo. Ahí llegó. Estamos bien. ¿Estás usando Material Tree? Sí, estoy usando Material Tree. Pero es la primera vez que lo estoy utilizando. View is in edit mode. I don't know what this means. Loco. Indicates whether this view is currently in edit mode. A view is usually in edit mode when displayed within a developer tool. For instance, if this view is being drawn by a visual user interface builder, check return value. Okay. All right. I don't know what that means really. I don't care right now, but if I switch this to dark theme, it should change. Yeah, it should change. Dope. All right. Status bar change. Oops. Ay, hijo de la gran madre. Loca. Bueno, ahora tienes que hacer uno de los default colors y todo eso nuevo que integró Google. Pero espérate. What are you talking about? ¿Qué fue lo nuevo que integró Google? Me tienes que explicar, bro, porque hace rato que yo no toco Material 3. En donde trabajo no hacemos, we have our own UI system. So I don't do Material 3. All right, so dope. We have the white and white. Social team, social stats. Okay, we have our nav controller here, nav host. Then this is the landing screen. I'm gonna have to, oh my gosh, yeah, there's a lot I'm gonna have to change here. All right, landing screen. Search mode is gonna have to go. All right, remember, when you're refactoring, you do not you don't change all the code all at once. Like, you don't change the existing code you have. You introduce new code, you know, especially like at this level that I'm doing a whole refactor. You introduce new code, you then like kind of like gate it and go to the new code so you can see everything, and you keep the old code. Once everything is changed, then you delete the old code. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna introduce a brand new composable landing screen, and it's gonna look very similar to this, but it's gonna be different in the sense that the signature is gonna be different. And since Kotlin, you can have multiple of the same function names, but with different signatures, it should be okay. So if I run this, I should probably not get anything when it renders, right? I don't get anything, see? Cool. que según ya pronto viene un nuevo dolor de cabeza que dicen que ya van a presentar el que va a sustituir al Material 3. Oh my gosh. El Material U con todos los colores dinámicos basado en lo que tienes en tu teléfono. Are you talking about Material U? Oh man, this dude. Crazy. Material US, Material 3. Oh. Yeah, yo no sabía eso. I didn't know that. Yo, we partying over here. All right, dope. So, let's see here. Search mode is not something that we're going to need anymore, right? Because this was trying to change the background color. Por eso integró lo de Teams. Okay. Eso hace sentido. Brother. Ojalá no sea tan duro que cambiar todo eso. Porque siempre cuando introducen, when they introduce brand new, like, UI system. Estaba hablando de este, ¿no? Every time they introduce brand new systems, like Google does with their new, like, UI designs, it becomes a headache to migrate. Windows. Bueno, según C es Material Design, Material Teaming y Material U. Brother, ojalá eso va a ser un dolor de cabeza cuando lleguemos a ese tiempo. También tiene una herramienta para hacer el tema y te deja exportar los archivos ya sean Compose en XML. Sí, brother, sé acerca de ese tool. I mean, lo que está diciendo. All right, so man, I keep switching back and forth in English and Spanish, and I keep forgetting I need to speak in both. What Miguel is saying here, for those of you who don't speak Spanish, there is a tool that Material 3 built that allows you to create your team and export your views into XML or into Jetpack Compose views. That way you can just like import it into your app. Pero brother, here's the one thing about that. For me, it always looks like trash whenever I do it. No me funciona a mí, así que yo usualmente no lo uso. ¿Qué sería así Material 1, 2 y 3? Ok, te entiendo. Entonces como que van a unificar todo y va a ser algo estandarizado. Standardized material type of design. And I see what you're saying. That might be a headache to migrate whenever they release that. And I'm guessing they're going to announce it now in July for Google I.O. Oh my gosh. Another thing to look forward to. Hey, eso significa que tengo seguridad de trabajo, ¿cierto? That's job security right there. Si sé que será un poco dolor de cabeza. Yeah, man. Enamora. All right, so let's get back to this piece here. I am going to need this view state. I am going to need context, I think. If I don't, we can take it out. We're going to, okay, if we look at this is a column that has a title. It has a search bar, and then it has these two cards, right? It has this card, and then this card, and has another title. So this could be its own thing. This is its own thing. This is its own thing, and all of this down here is its own thing. Then we have the add at the bottom. This could be constraint layout as well. Let me take a look at how I did the constraint layout down here. Because that was a pain to do. No, it wasn't that much of a pain. It was just to understand it here. Como cuando estaba todo mal con las librerías de... Oh my gosh, Fire. You said Fire. You lost me at Firebase. Firebase, mira. I'm gonna tell you a story. I used to work for an app that, a company that built apps. And we used Firebase as our cloud solution to keep track of... I forgot exactly what we're keeping track of. But 90% of our crash rate was due to Firebase. And it's that, like, I have nightmares of Firebase. Problem is, I'm gonna have to probably use it soon. But see, Firebase es tremendo. No sé. I don't know if it's good. I don't know if it's trash. I just know my experience was like, yeah, no Firebase. I do not want to use Firebase again. For me, it's like, yeah, no. It was crazy because our ratings, we were like a 4.8 star rating, and it dropped all the way to like 4.1. I mean, we're still in the fours, but you drop in 0.7 rating, that's hard to go back up. Like, and it was because of Firebase. Just because we freaking imported the library. Like, oh my gosh, Firebase, you're killing me. I'm having nightmares just thinking about it. Okay. So am I gonna use constraint layout for this, or am I gonna use a column? I could use a column here. The problem though is this bottom piece here. So what I can do is I can make this be a column, but I can have a parent container that's the constraint layout, and the constraint layout will hold that column, and then it will have it fit on the upper part of the app, and then the constraint layout will hold the add container here. Yeah, I can do that. So what we're gonna need here, right? We're saying we're gonna need a constraint. So it's gonna be something like this. A constraint layout, right? And then we're gonna have a column, and then we're gonna have the add. It's gonna be something like that. And then this column in here is gonna have the title, search bar, right? Then we're gonna have a today card, that's what we'll call it for now, then saved items component. I'm being inconsistent with my names, but this is what it's gonna be. And that's how it should look, right? Title, search bar, today, card, and then my save component. Because this my save component will have all of these. And then this probably will have a row. It's gonna have a column, and the column is gonna have a row, and the row is gonna have a title, and it's gonna also have view all, right? Then here in this column here, then it's gonna have an actual card. No, not a card. It's gonna have another row. It's gonna be actually a lazy row is what it's gonna be. And then here's gonna be favorite save card component. Cool. So now I have like a visual of what my UI is going to look like. Now I can build this into different components, right? So let's go from here. I can just copy and paste. Copy and paste is king. Sometimes. Oops. So we're gonna have this here. Oh my gosh. Then we're gonna see here column. I'm gonna say container, and I'm gonna say add. Actually, I'm gonna do banner here. I should leave that banner, and then I'm gonna content. That's cool. This is perfect. So the content is gonna be top to top, parent top. Yeah, this is perfect. This is exactly what I want. And then here, the way we do the modifier is like this. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna for sure have this one, but then we're gonna have a column here, and this column is gonna be a modifier, which is gonna have modifier that constraint as content. And how we're gonna want to do this oh, I already had the content modifier. I'm dumb. This is what we want here. This content modifier is what we want right here. Boom. And we're gonna say fill max size, and I'm gonna set the background here. We're gonna set this color to like some crazy color, right? We're gonna say, yo, what's up, my boy Sneaky Foxtrot? Yo, I'm so happy you're here, bro, because here's the thing. I was going over my VODs from the other day, and I noticed that you mentioned you have a badass tattoo of Hyrule somewhere. I don't remember where, but I didn't realize during my spill, because I usually talk a lot, I didn't like acknowledge it. And just want to say my bad, first of all. And second of all, that's freaking dope. So, given that you're such a Zelda fan, I'm a pretty big Zelda fan. I want to know what's your favorite Zelda game. If you don't mind sharing, that'll be dope. I'm so happy you're here too, man. Doing a bunch of redesigns, man. A lot going on here. Okay. So let's see here. The reason I put this background color is because sometimes we just want to kind of see. We want to see what's going on. We want to see the changes. Make sure that we're actually doing something. So see, we can tell. This is the whole content, like I said, and here's the ad at the bottom. I don't like this white here, but we're lucky because the white is our default color. But though that would, so this is now our content. So now I can do this. I can start adding the little piece components. Dope. So then we said, now we're here in this piece, right? Now we need this stuff. I'll just bring the whole thing. Screw it. So I can have like a C. I can see. All right. This is what we want to do. Now we're going to do title. So let's do text. Hit text and string resource might work. String resource are that string that is your app name. I don't want to jump into. Can you kind of? Okay, that's fine. We can just deal with that like this. I'll figure it out later on. I'll figure out the string resource later. I just don't want to show my strings file because I have some keys in there. Yeah, it's on my chest. That's what's up, bro. Ocarina of Time is my fave. Unpopular opinion, Twilight Princess is close second. Okay. I mean, Ocarina of Time, bro, it's like a classic, right? It's what set it apart, right? It's what put it on the map to be like this crazy stuff. I mean, I think A Link to the Past for sure is like amazing as well. Twilight Princess, I wasn't a fan of Twilight Princess, but that's dope. Mine's, and I'm probably biased because I'm from the Caribbean. I love Wind Waker. Wind Waker is my favorite one. You tell me I can get on a boat and I can go find treasure and I can, like, for real? Yeah. Wind Waker is my shit. So here, font size. I don't know what font size we want here. Let's do 20 SP for now. Let's see what she has here. My wife built this, by the way. Oh, mi bro, Tairo, I don't know if you're here. Pero la jeva hizo todo esto, bro. This is what she be doing now. It's bold and it's 24. So let's try that. 24, and then let's add the weight. Font weight. Text defaults, I think. Yeah. No. Note. Is it font weight? Yeah, I think it's just font weight. Font weight. It's that bold. Here you go. Let's try this. And the color, text color, right? I think is just color. And we said purple. Okay. Wind Waker is where I stopped playing. I didn't really enjoy it as much. That's fair. You know, to each his own. To each his own, right? What it sounds like we have in common though is we like Zelda. I mean, Breath of the Wild is like amazing. The Breath of the Wild is probably like it's definitely up there. But the nostalgia for me, I wouldn't say it's Wind Waker. I would say it's definitely Ocarina of Time and Majora's Mask. But Wind Waker for me was like, it's the first one that I felt like I was free to make my choices. Like, don't get me wrong, you can do whatever you want in Ocarina of Time and in a lot of those too, but Wind Waker really felt like I could go anywhere. Like, I don't know, it was awesome for me. That's dope, man. That's dope. I actually been thinking about getting more tattoos. All right, so we have this here, dope. But we need to align this, right? So We can do a horizontal alignment here. Alignment center horizontally. Let's see this here. Yeah, that's dope. All right, so we have it here. Social Stats Hub is what she got it as. We can change the name later on. Actually, I'm just gonna hard code it. She wants it all like this, I think. Social Stats Hub, Bub. We're still trying to figure out the typography and all of that. But no, we have the text. Then we have the search bar. I have a search bar here somewhere already. Social Stats search bar. I'm gonna have to change this one though. Crap. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change the search bar because I have it doing some color stuff that it shouldn't be doing. I got some wings that I started right before the pandemic that I have to finally get finished. That's crazy. That sounds like a really big piece. Oh man, that sounds like a really big piece. Is it inspired by anything? That's pretty dope though. Bro, yo. Golly, man. Yo. Erupt for cuss. Oh, yeah. Appreciate the follow. I'm sorry. It's my way of waking myself up. And y'all have to share my pain. I'm sorry. Thank you. I really appreciate you. I really do appreciate the follow. They said that so scared. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh, yeah, I gotta take this off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro. Okay. Yo, you scared the hell out of me. Welcome. Oh man. All right. Now that the blood pressure, the heart rate is now a little calmer now. Sneaky, do not ask that question. Do not ask that question. Welcome. Yo, how you say your name? Erupt Focus. All right. Welcome once again. Are you a programmer? Do you like, what's your favorite language or what do you program in? You have to answer those questions. Like, you first time chatting the stream, so you have to answer those questions. I'm kidding. You don't have to, but I'll appreciate it if you did. Yes, they have to suffer with us. Dope, me too. I have this tag on my arm that has a forest scene inside of it. That sounds dope. I want the same style with an elephant on the other side. Man, that sounds sick. And a third one with an owl. That's what's up. Sí, bro. Siempre me asusta, bro. I didn't get my jump scare though. I mean, now I know it's coming. So, I mean, oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna be all nervous because Sneaky's gonna unsub or resub or refollow, bro. Just don't do it now because I've expected it. But appreciate the follow again. It's on your chest. Oh, that's what's up. I have one on my chest too. It's over my heart. But I want to get one here on my forearm. One for my son and one for my daughter. And I want it to represent like where I'm from, but also I want it to be an animal that represents them. And a sea animal because I'm from the Caribbean, so. Uy, brother, sí, me asustaron tremendo. Mírame, brother, estamos hablando de tatuajes. ¿Vos tenés tatuajes? Alright, doc search bar is what I'm going to use. I'm still waiting for Erupt Forecast to let me know if they do programming. Doc search bar, this one I'm going to need. This text. Okay. Alright, once again. Let's see here. What do we need here? Are we changing the color here? Right? This is trying to change the color here. I don't know if we need to change this. But and this shows this. Yeah, this is the thing here that I don't need. Okay, so like I said, I'm refactoring. So let's go ahead and we duplicate this stuff here. But we're not gonna use, I'm gonna say 2 for now. We're not gonna need a search bar container. This image vector we do, but I don't know what it's gonna be here. This hint text. I guess we could keep this text. We don't need these colors, right? We're definitely not gonna need this social chips, but we need this linear progress indicator. Ese grito sí que activa el cuerpo, bro. Te digo, uno no necesita café. After that, you don't need no coffee at all. My heartbeat is still fast. Oh man, I'm sorry once again. But yeah, should I change it? I mean, I feel like it brings some dynamic to the stream, right? Dime, Josué, ¿lo cambio el grito o lo dejo? He said no. Yeah, he said no. Exactly, no. It brings different dynamic. Yeah, exacto. Yeah, see, everybody says to leave it. Que lo dejemos. Listo. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll. Can you do, how do you do polls? Poll. Yeah, let's just say first time ever doing poll. Should we remove the scream when someone follows? Question. All right. Remove scream notification. Yes. No and no. Just kidding. No. Yeah. Just yes and no. We just leave it yes and no. All right, and we're gonna leave it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, I guess. Let's see. I don't know. Alguien dijo coffee. Está bien para que despierte o te haga parar un brinco. Sí, bro. Like, it's like I don't need to do cardio anymore. Like, no necesito hacer ejercicios. El corazón ya saltó. You know what I mean? You don't need none of that no more. Está bueno para ponerlo de alarma despertador. Brother. Yo. He said we need to put that as our alarm. Bro, if you put that as your alarm, I'll have a heart attack. Oh my gosh. I mean, yeah, that's crazy. The poll is there. We'll see what they say. We'll close it here in a bit. Don't remove. I could not. Yeah, I know. I could not imagine to wake up to that either. Oh my gosh. I was gonna say something, but never mind. I would be, yeah, that would suck. I don't know. All right. Whew. Back to refocus. Thank you for the interruption, Focus. Thank you. I'm kidding. Thank you, though. I appreciate the follow again. Like I said, let me know what programming language you do, if you program. If not, just like, let me know a little bit about you, man. Like, you know, I want to know about you too. You following me, I want to know about you too. My wife would bro. Yeah, my wife would too. Trust me. She'd be like, what? She's already like, I already scare her enough as it is. Like, because when I go wake her up, I'm not like, hey, wake up. You know, hey, wake up. I'd be like, hey, psst, psst. Hey, are you awake? Hey, wake up. Then she goes like that, you know what I mean? So the softness waking up. It's like she's like, I go so softly to where she doesn't even realize I'm there, but I'm there. And then I'm waking up, she wakes up, and then the room is dark, and I'm already dark. So all she sees is a teeth, you know what I mean? And then she just wakes up, and then she's like, what the? I'm just kidding. No, but it's true. Oh my gosh. Oh, anyways. No llores, bro, tranquilo. No. I'm sorry, I couldn't answer your question because my English is bad. It's all good. It's all good if your English is bad. So it sounds to me that English is not your first language. Then what is your first language? And while you do that, what's up, Miss Nerd? Welcome. You just missed a crazy jump scare. We had a blast with it, just so you know. But yeah, welcome to the stream. Glad you're showing up. Appreciate you being here today. How you doing today, this evening? Hope everything is good. Just gotta double check the fam is okay. Sorry, I'm taking a look at my phone. No fires need to be put out. All right, good. Let's keep going here. Yes, she did. Okay, so let's go back here to the landing screen. Let's throw in this new social stat search bar too. And I just want to kind of see what I did for this one here. In search mode, okay. I do think that I'm gonna use the search mode, but I'm not gonna worry for that right now. Let me hold on. Let me reset real quick. Social start bar 2 is focus. Right, that's what is this needing it for? Is focus is in search mode. So focused, I do need this actually. And I'm gonna need this back handler here too. Oh shoot, hold on. You can't just, I'm good. Dr. T was talking about me today. About me? About you. What was she saying? That's cool. By the way, for y'all who don't know about Dr. T, she's like her platform, what she's trying to do, I think is so amazing. Yeah, I think y'all should go check her out. Repton Tech, Dr. T. You know, check out Metal Dev Girl too. She's in here. Let me, how do I shout out people? Shout out Metal Dev Girl. Yeah, is that how it works? All right, y'all need to take a look at Metal Dev Girl. She has some good stuff. Also, Sneaky Fox, he's starting his Android journey. Take a look at him too. He's been streaming his stuff. Let me catch up with chat. Hold on, let me see here. All right, said Dr. T. Miss Signer too. Follow Miss Signer. She is doing her journey with community engagement and kind of Erupt for Cuz. Appreciate it, my guy. Appreciate it. Or my guy, I don't know. Thank you so much. You don't have to do that. I really appreciate that you did. Sorry, I'm trying to catch up to the chat. 1 second. I decided to work on my stream layout in Canva, and you don't want to work. I want to change my stream layout too. I don't know what I'm going to do there. Erupt, ya somos dos. My English is bad. Miguel, aquí se aprende, bro. Tranquilo. Oh, you were in the metaverse. Your native language is Turkish. Yo, hello. By the way, I have a cousin who, I think she's in Turkey right now. She is doing Doctors Without Borders, and I think she's over there in Turkey, if I'm not mistaken. But that's what's up. Yeah, I wish I could speak Turkish to ask you the question, but yeah, let me know. Hold on, what was that noise? I'm trying to catch up with all these notifications. This is the most people I feel like have been active talking in the chat. No, Sneaky, don't do that. Sneaky, you're sneaky. Stop. Quick, somebody follow, then we follow. No, don't. Yo, Quosty. I think you're a first-time chatter. Welcome to the chat, by the way. What is my team for IntelliJ? Let me show you real quick. What is my team for IntelliJ? Oops. Manda, tú eres la que manda. is this one, Gradiento Midnight Blue. And this is something that I actually installed. It's a plugin. So let me show you real quick. You go to plugin, and is this one called Gradiento? Gradiento? I don't know how you say it. But that is my team, Kusti. By the way, welcome to the chat. You're the first time chatter. I hope you're having a good time. Sounds like you're an Android developer. I would be curious to know what apps you've developed. If you don't mind sharing a couple, that would be cool. Let's see here. What else? What am I missing? That I'm a great content creator. I told you I want you to be a guest. Oh, thank you. I would say I'm a great content creator. I'm just learning. I appreciate though that really fills my heart. Like legit, it does. That actually motivates me to hear that, because maybe I'm on the right track of doing something. I don't know yet. I'm still trying to figure this out. So thank you. Man, that just made my day, legit. It just, plus the sub also made my day. Like I set it up for, because you didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it for sure. Listen, I was stressing for a bit, but blessing came right on time. Griffin, yup. What up, bro? I reached 100 messages today. That's something cool. I had to dance to that one out. Okay. Sí, lo sé. Ando leyendo y escuchando para intentar comprender más. Listo, bro. Y si tú quieres practicar conmigo, te digo, en el Discord. You can chat. Hey, by the way, for y'all who are watching, if y'all have enjoyed my Discord, we don't talk a lot on the Discord, but if you ever want to reach me for any reason, to want to just chat, to want to just talk about coding, to want to programming, Android, whatever the case may be, that's what I'm here for, you know. And join the Discord and we can chat about anything y'all want. Like, no problem, Kusti. Appreciate it. Hey, if you want to hit that follow, you can, but do it at the random moment, because then I might jump scared. Just saying. Oh, God. Yo. What? I knew it was coming, but it still freaking got me. Appreciate the follow. Oh my gosh. Yo. All right. Hopefully y'all wasn't scared. Oh my gosh. I just said you're in the right track. Yo, mental dev girl, that means a lot coming from you, because I know you have experience in doing a lot of these things. Your following is over the years you've done it. Sorry, I'm still like, my heart is racing. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh man. Yes. Thank you. I really appreciate that. I guess I am trying to build this content creation stuff, but I appreciate it. The worst part, I watched that pop up in chat. I was scared. I seen the pain coming. Yo, that's great. That's funny. You legit saw it coming. Ni el café te da tanta energía como el susto de ese grito. Bro, we could make a meme page out of these answers. Híjole, brother, tremendo susto. He basically said we don't need coffee. Oh man, not even coffee gave us this much energy. That's crazy. I will enter here, but my English is not very good. Hey, that's okay. In today's day and age, we have stuff like Google Translate. We can figure out ways to communicate. That's 100% okay. If you don't mind, if your English is not a good, what is your language, native language? Sí, bro, muchas gracias. Nadie se había preocupado tanto por mí. Solo deja que aprenda un poco más inglés. Tranquilo, brother. Tranquilo. Es que yo sí me preocupo de la gente, porque yo creo que la gente, we do need to make connections. Es importante uno hacer conexiones con mucha gente y pues solo tenemos una vida, ¿me entiendes? Así que ojalá, I really hope that everybody that comes through the stream just have a good time and have good vibes while I'm trying to get to passive income. But right now I'm just I really needed this. I think I really need this today to be able to talk to y'all, and y'all scaring the hell out of me. But yeah, para eso estamos, brother. Para eso estamos. My English sucks, but hey, I'm here. That's what's up. From Poland. Oh, what's up? I think you're my first Poland person. I don't know if how you say that. But you are a terribly positive person, so it's terrific to listen to you. That's thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thanks. Oh my gosh, I used to love when my students would teach me Spanish and they would use Google Translate to have conversation with me. There you go. I love that channel. What channel? Are you talking about my channel? If you do, thank you. Thank you. Oh man, y'all are awesome. I'm glad y'all are getting some positive energy because I've personally been needing some positive energy, especially throughout this week. It's been tough for me. It's been tough, you know. I needed this. This was a nice break. I'm gonna keep going, but yes, I just appreciate y'all being here. To be honest, like legit, I do. I love it. Yeah, thank you, man. If that's what you meant, I really appreciate it. Like I said, join the Discord, y'all. Like we can have more conversations about these things, just like this, and have vibes and grow. That's at the end of the day, I would love for all of us to be able to grow in areas we want to grow. So that be it English, be it Spanish, be it coding, you know, being just like a better person. That's it. Yo, what's up, my guy Elliot, bro? I gotta catch you in Overwatch one day. You're gonna whoop my butt, but it's okay. And yet you write in one of my favorite programming languages. If this is one of your favorite programming languages, then what is your favorite programming language? I love Kotlin, by the way. I love Swift, I think, a little bit more. I'm not sure yet. Is this WoW supposed to look like a Pikachu? Oh, you caught that. You caught that. No, you're not slow. Java is your favorite programming language, huh? Over Kotlin. That's interesting. I mean, I switched from Java to Kotlin in the time when Java was not, well, Java was ahead, but Android development wasn't caught up with the latest Java, you know, language, like the versions. So Kotlin came at a time that was perfect for me, but I know that Java can be pretty dope. Hey, Elliot. Don't tell him you. I'm just kidding. Y'all can say whatever y'all want. I used to, man, Java has a dear piece of my heart. It's in my heart because when I had to deal with Eclipse and Java to build Android apps, oh my gosh, you know, I had to go through the struggle. So it needs to stay in my heart. Yes, Eclipse, horrible. Java lo odié y no fue por su sintaxis, sino por las personas que le enseñan de mala manera. Uy, eso también, brother. Eso también. He said that a lot of people didn't used to teach Java the right way. And that's the thing, right? When Java came out, for a while, because of a lot of its verbosity, there was a lot of pitfalls to Java, right? That's why you have like effective programming in Java. Isn't that a book where you list a lot of different things that you don't want to, pitfalls that you don't want to fall in, because Java, you can easily fall in some of these things that was just a mess. And Kotlin came in and kind of just like handle a lot of that for you, so make your life easier. Since Java was my first programming language, that's why I have this attitude towards it. I respect that. Ain't mad at that. So what I'll say this much for me, that's how I feel about C++. C++ was my first language, and C++ is dear and engraved in my heart, because all of y'all Java fools, my bad, I'm not calling y'all fools, I'm kidding. All of y'all Java folks, y'all didn't have to worry about garbage collection, because Java did it for you. I had to deal with that shit with pointers in C++. So whenever I switched to Java and I discovered that I didn't have to deal with a lot of the nonsense that C++ was giving me, I was so pissed off, because it was so much easier to do the stuff in Java. So yeah, that's my relationship with Java, people who learn Java. Same, I was TA for, you did a lot of Java, MetaDevReal, dope. Elliot said that he was a TA for Java classes and started learning Android with Java. So you know the pains. But my first full-time Android job, I learned Kotlin and haven't looked back. That's what's up. I haven't looked back either. There's been minimum, when I worked at Snapchat, there was some areas where they had like very legacy code and I had to touch Java. But for the most part, I've just only have to been dealing with Kotlin. So I love Kotlin. C was my first programming language. Yo, Josue, C. Tremendo duro, brother. Tremendo duraki to be with C. But if I'm honest, Kotlin is a fixed Java. It is. You know, Kotlin is supposed to fix a lot of the things that Java came up short in a sense. But Java over the years has progressed a lot. Like I know Lambda support became pretty big. There's a lot of, I haven't kept up with a lot of the changes, but I know there is a lot that Java has come across a good way. Look, y'all scared me multiple times today. I got sweaty and I was super hot, but now I'm cold. So gotta put a jacket back on. Oi, oi. There. Pop the collar. I never remember I've been popping my collar. I'm just kidding. All right. I did just start working with Compose, so still an XML land, bro. God bless your soul. You know, XML sucks. I hate it, but like I like the Compose style of programming ever since I taught myself React. I love React as a framework. Loved it. I love React.js, AngularJS. I was like, this is the way you're meant to build UI. And I'm so happy that Compose is now out and Swift UI. They all have the same type of concepts, but it's awesome. Kotlin makes at least a decent company. Kotlina. Hey, I just want to rock the job. Hey, you already know. You gotta be a little fly sometimes. Hell yeah. XML is easier, but Compose have better functionality. Yeah, XML can be easier. I just hate the whole context switching between XML and Kotlin. And then if you're in a code base that has Java, Kotlin, and XML, it's like, bro, how many things I need to know? But reality is, when I used to be a backend developer and I had to interact with UPS API, they're SOAP based, meaning they were XML based. That was like oh my gosh, talk about nightmares. If I said Firebase was a nightmare, then like UPS API was like the parent of the nightmares. They were like the great grandfather of nightmares. So horrendous. Oh my gosh. I didn't win a war though because of that, consuming that API though. You hate React? Okay. Why do you hate React though? Next.js is best. I've never used Next.js. What is Next.js, if you don't mind telling me? No le tengan miedo a Java. Java just needs respect. Hey, Java, if it weren't for Java, Kotlin wouldn't be here, and we wouldn't be here. That's all I'm saying. So we do need to show respect to Java. 100%. Oh man, we loving it. Y'all are so cool. All right, it looks like we caught up with the chat. My heart is still racing from the last follow. So let me take a sip of water and then let's go. I'm not sure, I don't think I've shown my room to a lot of y'all. Let me show y'all my room real quick. It has a lot of messiness, but as I was showing last time, you can see back there, I have One Piece. One Piece is probably like one of my favorite animes. Not animes, because I only read the mangas. I have the Ninja Turtles up there because of my old head. Then I have Zelda, because Zelda is legit. And I don't know if y'all knew about this one though. Hold on. Y'all know about this? Y'all know about this? Y'all don't know about this. Y'all know about this? Come on now. Y'all don't know about this. Heck yeah, classic, heck yeah. Oh yeah, tailspin, oh yeah. Oh my gosh, man. Oh, I'm old, oh yeah, I'm old. Sale, bro, me despido, nos vemos en el disco. Listo, compadre, ahí te me cuidas. Muchas gracias, bro, por venir por acá. Como siempre, bro, siempre se te agradece tener tu compañía. Así que nos chequeamos en el Discord. Tenemos que hablar acerca de arquitectura. We will. If you have a moment, you can check out Next.js org yourself. I just opened the tab and I will take a look, bro. I will take a look at Next.js. I'll share here in a second. Give me one sec. I can't believe Sneaky said he hates React. I'm just kidding. Let's see here. I'm checking up. Uh-oh, we found another One Piece fan. I'm just saying. Yeah, my transition needs to change. I need to fix a lot of stuff on here. Your stream looks dope. And MetaDev Girl's stream. Look, so MetaDev Girl, that's another person I need to shout out. I just shout out MetaDev Girl. Let's shout out. Y'all need to check out. First of all, I said I was going to say Sneaky. Because Sneaky, he is... he's starting his journey as Android dev, and he just got laid off. He used to be a Rails developer and is just now, learning Android on his own. Take a look at his journey. He's gonna have some. He's super smart as it is. He's picking up the stuff quick. So y'all take a look at him if y'all want. Next, I'm gonna shout out is Ela Troop. He's also Android engineer, and I also need to shout out Miss Nerd because she is a community engagement person. She's super dope. She's super dope. I read her. I saw her post on LinkedIn. I don't want to reveal who I am on LinkedIn yet, but y'all need to check her out. As I mentioned before already, Dr. T and Repton Tech, and of course MetaDev Girl. All of these people, y'all need to check them out. They have, I think, they speak truths, and they have they just have good content that you don't know you need, but you need. So just saying. You remember Tailspin? Heck yeah, man, bro. Tailspin needs to be the stuff, man. Of course I'm calling y'all out. I got to call. Oh, no, she's calling us out. Yeah, she has. I know. MetaDev Girl, you know this show too, so I'm guessing you're right there with us, right? Oh, that's right. She said she's right there with us to recognize this herself. That's right. Yep. All right. We're here for the code though, right? And I'm here for the laughs and the chats too. And it's making my day, as I said, but let's get back to the code. I'm gonna take a look at that Next.js right now. Let's see. How do I transition back again? I forgot. Here we go. Transition back. Let's take a look. Dope. All right. Next.js is a React framework for the web built on a foundation of fast production grade tooling. So can I get an example of what this looks like? All right, if y'all have never used this, y'all should take a look at this. I told MetaDev Girl about this. Is this Chrome plugin called Harpa AI? And I can just say, hey, /explain. Hit enter, and it's gonna go through the page and it's gonna find, type a follow-up question or pick an option. Follow-up. Actually, I think they have a bug. They announced that they have a bug that's going on with GPT, but it is a really good tool. Before this last upgrade, it used to work, but now I guess it's not working. So I could ask it I could go to YouTube. If y'all haven't, y'all should check out my YouTube. I mean, I don't do much on there, but I will be releasing videos. But let's say if I go to, I don't know, let's say this video here, and I go here, bam, and I type /summary. Shoot. I did the wrong thing. Too long, do you not read? I don't know if that will work. Yeah, it's not working right now. But anyways, y'all should take a look at it. Harpa AI, it's pretty the tool. It could summarize your YouTube videos if you wanted to. So if you have a podcast or something like this, just do /summarize and it'll do the whole thing for you. But as I mentioned, as a version 8, there's a bug in it and it's not working, which sucks. But yeah. Yes, sir. I am streaming tomorrow morning. That is the plan. Waking up super early. Gonna try and be productive tomorrow. But I'm gonna keep this tab open, and I'll take a look. What time? I am planning to start around 7:30 a.m. CST. So, yeah, That's the goal. That's the goal. So if y'all want to come by tomorrow morning, 7:30 a.m. CST, I'll be here. We will have laughs. We will have lots of code. I'm usually heavy in the code, but tonight y'all are just kind of partying it up with me. So that's dope. All right, let me try and take a look at this again. It's focused. Let's just say false for now. It's searching. We say false. On focus change, that needs a lambda. On search, that needs a lambda too. And let's just see what this looks like. Dope. So I have my search bar here and my social stat hub. Obviously, we need some padding, right? Some margin in between these two. Yo, Elliot, we need to link up, bro, because if you don't mind, man, I'm interested in your. I'm actually gonna go over some database design stuff here, and I'll just be curious because you have some experience with paging 3 sounds like and remote mediators and stuff. Maybe we can take a look at the stuff that I have going on. So yeah, I don't know if that's gonna be tomorrow, but we need to link up. So yeah, maybe let's see here. Okay, can I make this? I knew that was gonna happen. All right, that's fine. I'll just assume it's like 16 dp, and I'll give it a modifier. Yeah, I can give it a modifier. Padding, and I can say top equals, let's say 16.dp. I think I'll be around that time, but about to watch a movie with your fiance, and I'm most definitely down. Hit me up anytime. I got you, bro. I hope you have a wonderful night, man. Appreciate you coming out. Thank you for coming for sure. And yeah, you have a blast. I do need to know what movie you're watching before you leave, though. So if you don't mind, maybe I already left, but that's cool. All right, let's see here. I'm trying to take a look at this. All right, dope. We have a pattern here. Yep, we see that pattern looks nice. Looks like we do need a padding top 2. 60 might be a little bit too much, I'm thinking. Let's do 12, but I'm also gonna, for this column here, I'm gonna set a padding top on this one. No, I'll set it in here, in this modifier here, in this text. So here, I'll probably do an 8. Escape room, tournament of champions. Okay, that sounds interesting. I love escape rooms. I really love escape rooms. Interesting. I've heard about this. Actually, I've heard about this movie. Dope. All right, bro, you have a good night. Wonderful night with your fiance. All right. So we double check that this padding is nice. Yeah, we're good here. Now let's jump in again. What time is it? 8:41. I'll probably stream for like another hour. All right, so next step now is we're gonna do this card, right? As we said here, we have, I'm not gonna worry too much about everything that's going on in the search. I need to come back and deal with functionality later. For now, I just want it to work, to visually work. Okay, so this today card. Let me flip these now. So then here below this is for the content, right? That was for the content, right? Unclear search. That's unclear search. So maybe unclear search here, like that. By the way, this guy that's singing right now, I had the privilege to open for him at one point back in the day. When I used to do my music stuff with my boy Tyro. I think he already left, but he came out to show support. Social start bar. Okay, below this now we're gonna have that. Damn, I keep hitting this thing. Today card. So I have a thing called favorite card right here, and I could just copy over outline card. Yeah, let's see what this looks like. And I was doing it this way, but we might have a hard-coded height actually. Actually, let's just do this. Let's copy this one over. Okay, this says modifier, and then we'll copy this screen width and height. Yep. I'm a very messy coder, just so y'all know. I am very, very messy. So right now what I'm doing is that I just have code all over the place, but I'm pretty good at going back and organizing myself. I am very happy to meet you. I need to sleep now. I will be here in the next stream. Have a nice stream. Appreciate you. I'm very happy to meet you too. Thank you so much. I'm so glad that you're enjoying the stream and that you felt that you had to say those words. So thank you so much. Really, legit. Hope you have a wonderful night. Hopefully no scary thoughts about those screams. Hopefully you don't wake up dreaming about stuff like that. I'm messing with you. All right, let's see here. Background. Color that red. Let's just take a look what this looks like. Okay, expecting. Did I mess up here? Yes, I did. I needed to. I missed. Yeah. Let's go ahead and minimize this. Also minimize this because I don't need those. The actual error is right here. Right? And then we also missed one right here. That's the reason why. All right, so we can see here the card. The border, obviously, I don't need. I don't need this background here. But why does it look like that? Like a square. Oh, there we go. Okay. So this is kind of like what I want, right? It's just the color and the border stroke is going to be different. I think I can get the color of the border stroke. Yeah, I have the color right here. The stroke color and the fill. Perfect. So this is the color here. How do I do color? If I go to my team, I should be able to. Well, I'll go to color. There you go. Kotlin gray and how I don't know what I want to call this yet, but we'll figure this here out. Color, and then we're gonna give it a hex value. And I need to give it, I think the first two needs to be FF because those are the alpha, and we want the alpha to be 100%. And then we're gonna say this is card outline. No, usually we don't want to give it that type of like, we want to give it the actual color name. What do we call this? I'll just call it gray for now, and then I'm gonna call this one what? This is like, this is gray. And then dark gray. So this might be dark gray. And then gray. Because the stroke is this one. Okay, so it's the opposite. A. So dark gray is for the outline. So I think I can change this here. Like I said, the container color is going to be the color that gray, but then, oh, not color that gray. I just gray. This is one I defined here. And then I'm going to have, is there a border here? Content color, disable color. Let's see here. What are the card colors? Buscar, buscar. Contigo, consigo, digo. Tengo que cantarte, vamos a llevar. Okay, this border, what is the default value for this border? All right, I can do this here. I can use this outline default, and then I can change the color, because I don't want to change the actual like width of it. I just want the color to be changed. Okay, so I can't change. Enabled, that's the only thing I can change. Outline color, that value. Creates a border stroke that represents the default border used in outline card. Okay, so this returns a border stroke. And border stroke, if I do this, it has a, if I copy, I can copy the brush, and I guess with the brush I can change the color. Man, this is just too much to just change the damn color. Okay, so what if I just keep it this way as a border stroke? Okay, let me see here. I need to figure this piece out. I want to try the card defaults. I want to see something here. Card defaults, the outlined card border. That, can I copy this? I can, but can I apply the color? I can't apply the color, can I? I can't apply the color, no. No, I can't. Okay. But you're basically saying that the border stroke allows me to give it a width and a color. Okay, maybe I can work with this DP, and then the color can be, instead of gray, is going to be my dark gray right here, right? Let's take a look at this. A ver, pensar, buscar contigo, consigo. All right, does that kind of look like it? Kind of. Yeah, it's just, it looks a little off, to be honest. Like, this looks like gray, but this looks like pink. Yeah, what does it look like? Pink. All right. Let me think about this real quick, because sometimes, can I change this to hex? Design. I haven't used Figma in so long. All right. Do I add it to the end? And see, all of these start with FF at the beginning. If I zero this out, yeah, see, goes there. Yeah, I have the right colors. It looks like it. Yeah, I do. Okay, I guess that is the fill color, and it's like a purple. So let's change its name. It's light purple. And then this is like a gray here. No, this is like a pink, right? It looks, yeah, like a light dark pink. I guess we change it to that. All right. All right, so we have this, and I want the size in. So we have 14 dp. I'm going to change this and make 16, because we want to keep it consistent, and then 16s to the side. That makes sense. So what I'm not going to do this height here. This width, sorry, is going to be the same here. The height, though, I need to figure that piece out later. In the meantime, though, I'm going to add this padding to the top. So we're going to say padding, and in the top is going to have 16.dp. And then we're going to do, actually, we're going to do vertical padding. Because then we're also going to have a horizontal. Well, if all of it is 16, then we just need to say padding is 16. And that's going to apply to all. Yo, what's up with the width, bro? Fill max width. There you go. All right, dope. I like this. Starting to look nice. Then we're gonna have that purple here. It's gonna say today, right? So that's inside of here. It's gonna be a column, and in this column is gonna have. I'm gonna fill the max size on this. I don't think I need to do that, but text, and it's gonna say today for now. Text equals today, and then the font size. Font. Man, I'm not feeling. All right, that's dope. But what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna give it a pattern here. That way the content, I don't have to change the pattern of the content, but it's kind of like the content is contained within this already padded stuff. So let's give it a pattern, and this might be a smaller pattern, so like a 40p, actually maybe 8. That right is already 10, so it's telling me it's maybe like a 12. But I like to do multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 kind of like feels a little bit more what's the word? It feels a little bit more standard. And then the content alignment needs to be center. So the horizontal alignment is going to be alignment, the center horizontally. Cada vez que te veo, Okay, it didn't center horizontally. And why is that? We can take a look at the layout inspector really quick. See why is that? It's because it's not filling the max width. The column is not filling the max width. So yeah, this needs to fill the max size. No, max size. There you go. Memos. T. Let me. There you go. Bam. And remember that this color, which that means I probably need to change my primary color. So let me go to my team. But I already have my primary color to be purple. So why is it black? So I'll do this here. To do. I don't think. Is my primary color supposed to be purple? No, I think it's supposed to be black. That's fine. This is the odd one. And the odd one should be use purple 40 here. Because you're always gonna want this to be here. So font, text, just color. Right? Oh, comma. Dope. Have that, but it probably bold. Ria completo. Ria. Maybe I should have my own like wrapper around text, because I'm gonna need it here. I'm gonna need it here. This one is not bolded. Looks like it's not. I see. This one's bolded. This one's medium. This one's bolded. Bolded. And this is bolded too. I'll just hard code it for now. So let me compare. Let me copy these here. It's basically the same as this one. I'm starting to get a little tired. I don't know how long I've been streaming for. Let me double check. It's been an hour, 2 hours. Yeah, I think it's almost time for me to start wrapping up, because I do want to spend some extra time with the family, with my wife. I think my son want to play video games, but so I might do that with him. But I love Survivor. That's like one of my favorite shows in the world, Survivor. So I might go watch that with my wife. But I do want to finish his screen, and I don't think I have long left. So the jacket is coming off, and we're about to go turbo mode. Right, Ziggy? Right? All right. And to go turbo mode, I'm really glad I caught you. I'll see you in the morning. I'm headed to bed. Thank you so much, Messiah Nerd. I really appreciate you coming through. Like always, I mean, you always help out people and you show support. I hope someday I can show the same support. I don't know how that could be, but if you can let me know how I can show support, please let me know and I'll do so. Appreciate it. I'll say that no more. You have a really good rest of your night and I'll see you tomorrow if you show up. You have a good one. Thank you so much for coming out. Dope. All right. I'm going to go super mode. For that, I'm going to switch up the music real quick. I'm going to put some dance hall because dance hall gets my grind going. Setch gets my grind going too. But I'm just going to throw this one and we're going hard. Like I say no. Bomba clot. Sorry. You don't know. All right. Like I say here. Text. DJ Londix. This next here. No pin channel. That's going to be in the middle. So there's going to be a text. How am I supposed to do this here? If I say a text and I say modifier, if I do fill max size, it should fill the entire place, right? Below the title. And this should only show if, yeah, to do condition, only show if we have no pinned profiles, right? So sure, that's that. Then text. What's the text? No pinned channels. Can I copy that? Okay, just type it out. That's fine. No pinned channels. Is there a period? There's a period. No. Yes, there is. And then this text is the same gray as the outline, I think, as the border. Is it? Let's see. Color equals that, and then the size is 14, and it's italic. So we're gonna say font size is gonna be, I said 14. 14. That is P, and then font weight. Is it font family? I don't remember. Font weight. Oh no, it's not the weight. I don't know where italics come from. I keep hitting this thing. Text decoration? No. Style, not style. I don't know how to do italic. Font style. Okay, it's in font style. So let's get here. Font style, dot italic. Dope. Got it there. And I think this should be in the center already. Let me tell you go. It's not. Okay. And I don't know why, the reason for that. Really quick. Okay, so if I do align text, align center, but it's still at the top. And then it says justify. Okay. I don't know if I can put it in the center like that. How can I put it in the center? I can add padding. Yeah, I guess I can add just padding. I'll just do that. Yeah, that's fine. We'll do padding. We'll do a big padding here. Padding for now. Top is gonna be, let's do 32 dp for now, because I don't know how I'm gonna get it like directly in the middle. There has to be a way to get in the middle. It has to be, but this is a column. If it were a box. And actually, needs to be a row. Right? This needs to be a row. Oh, would this be a row? This could be a constraint layout. So. So I'll make some assumptions here. 99. Oh my gosh, I don't like this add-in padding. I'll come back to this. Not gonna waste time on that. Okay, dope. How do we add this one in the corner? The more I think about this, the more it feels like it needs to be a constraint layout, because it's gonna have to be in the top center, one here in the right corner, and then we need this to be in the center here as well. If there's nothing, then we're gonna have a bunch of stuff in the bottom. For now, this is okay. We can deal with the rest later. Let's get rid of this outline card. We're gonna have a second outline card that looks kind of like it. Monica Don Banka Comino Flip Monica Don. Ata Femison Nameleka Data Monica. Well, see. Alright. This is gonna be a card, but it's gonna be below. So we're gonna have a column here. Yep. And then this column is gonna have a row, right? Oh my gosh, bro, come on. Who this? Who live fast and die rich, money can't run. Row, kako me no shit, money can't. Yeah, dash to the gas, money can't done. My save channel and view all, right? So this is gonna be, the spacing on this here is gonna be horizontal arrangement that space between, meaning we want to keep spacing between, but we want to push it far to the ends. So then we're gonna have a text that's gonna look kind of like this, but it's different, right? Because its size is still 24, but the font weight instead is gonna be medium, and it's gonna say my save channels, right? And then it says view all is gonna be on the far right. So this is what I don't understand. This color here is the same as this color, right? It's not. I think she meant for these colors to be the same. I'm not sure. I'll have to talk to her about that and ask her. But then we'll go back to my colors here, and let's throw in a gray. I don't know what kind of gray is gonna be, but we'll add this hex, and then let's just double check. It's not a gray, it's like a red gray. So I'm just gonna say red gray, and then that's gonna be the view all text, right? So it's gonna be this text here, view all, and it's gonna be underlined. So that's the font style. Is it? No, is it? I think. Oh man, what was the font style? No, it was. I saw this earlier. It was the not font weight. No, that's like bolding and stuff like that. Instead, I think it's the text decoration. Yes, text decoration. That's what we want. Text decoration that underline. Okay, done. And then what's the size of it? It's 20. It looks like. Font size, man. It's at 14, right? 20. Oh my gosh, my mind is failing me. And then the color is gonna be red gray. All right, so let's see what this looks like. All right, dope. So we almost there. It looks like horrendous, but we're almost there. And the reason why this is not here, and I have my I think I know why. The reason is because this is not fitting the max width of the screen. So we need to give this a modifier that says fix mat fit fill max width. Oh my gosh. I think that's the reason. Right, so it's now at the ends, but then all of these are within this content that we should probably set here. right? We didn't say, yeah, let me double check here in the layout inspector. But how I did for like the card, right? This is a column here. I should set a padding here already. This card, outline card, is this setting a pattern already? If so, I need to take it off. It is setting a pattern of 16. So I want to get rid of this here and instead let it be on the outside of it. That way the parent is the one that's dictating how wide my content can be. So that would be on this parent right here. Yeah, you fill in the max size, but we also want you to add the padding of 16. Yeah, boys. Dope. So it kind of looks nice, but then now we have like these patterns that we need to figure out. But it kind of looks obviously spacing is incorrect, and maybe this needs to be a little bit more. Well, actually, this is that how it's gonna look. Yeah, this is how it's gonna look, because later on it's gonna look like this. Yeah. So we do need to add a radius to this. Why is this stroke different though? This stroke can't be different here. Oh my god, I need to double check with her. Bagazin. Yeah, bagas. Oh, it's not underlined. I'm tripping. It was underlined because I had my mouse on it. All right. Obviously, I'm going to extract this into its own components. That way it makes it more modular. That's what we want at the end of the day. Hey. Yep. So here, I do know I can do the radius, right? I'm pretty sure I can do the radius for this. Shape. I think it's the shape here, and then I can outline shape. I think I can copy the value of the shape and then set the radius. Card defaults that outline shape that copy. Oh no, what is this? Oh no, I get it. Yeah, I think I can just do right here, right? Radius. I'll have to look into that later. Is the radius for this. What I need to look now into is the spacing though. So the search, where's the search? Here's the search. This has a padding top. This needs a padding top. Padding, I'm gonna say top is gonna be 16.dp, right? And if I look at this here, man, I forgot how vulgar dancehall can be. Let me change it. Yeah, I forgot how sorry, I come from somewhere that's very, very weird. I'll do the Afro beats. Oh my, I might start with this one tomorrow. I think this is all I want here for the search bar, and then I can build in the other ones later. Yeah, here, and then the bottom one I can do the same. I love you so, bum bum. I'm on him, oh, baby. Matteo, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. Hold me. Okay, now we have the pattern here. Dope. We gotta remove the outline here. Underline. Get rid of that. Here I do need to do the vertical alignment. Alignment needs to be center vertically. That way they can be looking like they're the same. But it still looks like, I think it's because of the text itself. And maybe I give this a padding here. 13. So maybe this row here, this here needs to have a padding top of 12.dp. Above you. Oh man. almost getting to the end, I think, here. This screen is almost done. Yeah, let me send my wife a screenshot of this. Kombucha for your body, yo, baby. I still need the icon on the right here. And this needs to be in the middle. And it needs to say no save channels. And how can I get this piece here? It's no pinned. Yes, I need to do something like this here. And the problem, if no saved profiles. But the thing is, I don't know how to get this to the center of the screen. Text line. This doesn't know its, pardon me, this doesn't know its own position. Reset. Yeah, wherever it was at. What is this? There you go, leave it there. The best thing about programming and watching someone play something else. So yeah, it's very, sometimes it can be pretty relaxing, or I don't know. To me, it's inspiring, to be honest, sometimes to see other people code, because the way I think is not the same way you think. So it's nice to see how other people think, in my opinion. My head is hurting. Oh man, I'm gonna have to call it a quits here in a bit. Probably I'll do 5 more minutes of this. I'm glad you're still hanging out. But this looks like it's almost to the point where I need it. I am not sure how I'm gonna center this in the screen. I really don't know how I can center this. Actually, let me try something out. If I do a box, right? Because a box is kind of like a frame layout. And you can set content alignment. Yeah. The content alignment for this guy. Yeah. Content alignment can be center, like, not center start. I just want center. Just want center. Center vertically. No, just center, because I want it center, like horizontally and vertically. I think putting it in a box might be good. And what time is it with you at the moment? It is 9:16 p.m. So it's, I'll come back tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. That's my goal. But it's 9:16 p.m. right now. How about for you? What time is it over there? I know why this is not doing that. It's because this box doesn't know how big it is. Go, shawty. Hey. Go. There you go. See? Now I got the box. Now, the reason it's not centered is because I have this pattern here and I just got to get rid of it. Yeah, okay. I knew there was a way to do it. I just didn't click. But now I did. So I'm going to do the same thing for this other one here that said no pin channels, right? And then we need to have this to do right here. And let me move this to do because I need to not show us the entire box. And let's run this again. It's 4 a.m., dude. That's crazy. You crazy to being up that late. So if it's 4 a.m. and what time will I be up? It's 9, let's say it's 9:30. 9:30 plus 12, no, plus 10. So I'll be up 10 hours from now streaming. And that means that'll be what time for you? 10 plus 4, that's 14, which means about 2 p.m. your time. So yeah, 2 p.m. your time is when I'm gonna be on. You haven't slept yet? Dude, you need to go to sleep. I appreciate you being here, and maybe this is not the reason why you're up, but you need to go get some sleep. And I'm giving you this advice, even though I don't sleep a lot. I'm a terrible sleeper. But you need to go get some rest, man. Or gal, I don't. Eduardo, mírate, brother. Que yo, pues, compadre. Hace rato que no lo veo. ¿Cómo estás, el mío? You need to finish this project. What project are you working on? I don't need this padding here, no. My love, my love. Me. Ah, shoot. Where is it at? Here it is. Okay, it's looking better. It's still not where it needs to be, because this needs to be a little bit bigger. And I think I want to hard code this value. Do I want to hard code this value? If I don't hard code the value, then no lo has terminado, brother. Y es que tu proyecto es bien espectacular, man. Tú tienes que terminar ese proyecto. Más bien, tíramelo a mí. Yo te ayudo a terminar, bro. For real. Improvements in creating virtualization in Proxmox. What is Proxmox? Oh, so you're a server-side engineer. That's crazy. That's dope. This screen height, let's take up more of the screen height. Let's say we want 45% of the screen. And this one is going to take less than that. So this is about 15, I want to say. No. I think we're going to want to change it up a little bit more. So maybe 40 and 20. And then let me see, Jetpack compose card radius. How can I do this? Preferred height. Here, this is what I need to give it a shape. Okay. Does she give me the corner radius for this? Does this tell me the corner radius? Yes. Is it 28? 28. Okay. So I could give this a shape, and this shape can be a rectangle shape. And then I can give it a 28. That, right? Is that what it takes? Compose. Come on, baby. ¿Qué pasó? Rectangle shape. But I can't. Oh, okay. No, that's not what I want. Programming backend on a data center. Okay, so you okay? That's dope, bro. I think that's what he does. But he's a friend and he's in Vegas, and he does something similar to that. That's pretty cool, man. So you're doing this for work. You're up programming for work. That's what it sounds like. 28 dp. Yes, 28 dp. Rounded corner shape. That's what not rectangle shape. Rounded corner shape. This is what I want. Okay. And then I give it, let's see, 20 dp. Yeah, let's see what this does. Dope. Okay, now we're looking close to this. Very nice looking, this application of yours. Thank you, my guy. And this is not because of me. This is because of my lovely wife. She made this for me. So hopefully it keeps. Yeah, I want to get to passive income, and that's why I'm building apps. But I also enjoy talking to people like you and learning about you and learning about other people. Like Eduardo, he's another guy that he's really smart. Like, he's helped me in the stream, really good with architecture. So be able to meet people like that, I think makes my day. You know, I think I'm slowly discovering that I enjoy speaking to people. So, and just kind of like learning from people, I think. I don't know. I think I have a passion for that, maybe. I'm not sure. But anyways, so I'm enjoying this, being able to learn from y'all. So I appreciate you saying those words. It looks okay, in my opinion. In my humble opinion. It's going to get there. I think it's going to get there. The last thing I'm going to do, porque brother, llegaste un poquito tarde, ya estoy listo para irme, pero voy a regresar mañana a las 7:30 de la mañana. Ahorita son las 9:30, pero mañana regreso. The last thing I'm going to do is change the background color for this. Oye, eso es demasiado temprano. Josué dice que quiere dormirse. Es que, brother, es que con los hijos me toca, brother, me toca. Ojalá pudiese hacerlo más tarde, pero es que sí, con los niños uno tiene que hacer cuando puede, no cuando uno quiere. Colors, dang it, and I forgot how to do the colors here. Here we go. Search bar colors, container color. This is what I want. El Josué todavía por ahí andaba, mi brother. Muy duro, muy duro. I think what I want this to be is, was it light purple? All right, let's take a look here. Bueno, ¿quién dijo que acostado no se puede disfrutar su stream? Un stream. He estado en todo este, brother, mira. Muchas gracias, brother. Es que mira, usted siempre me apoya, brother. Muchas gracias. Acostadito, tranquilito, con unos pares de sustos. La musiquita, las risas. Chévere, chévere. Por ahí Eduardo, Eduardo, ¿cómo se dice? Se perdió todo eso. Se perdió los sustos. Why? Okay, maybe this is not the screen. No. What was the color? Dark pink. Let's try this color here. Ey, sí, esos sustos están fuertes, sí, brother. Brother, si me pegan unos sustos así por la mañana, yo no necesito café. No necesito café. All right, this is the color here. Let's get this one. But I want this social start right here. Container color, and let's throw in this color here. Tengo que organizarme un poquito mejor porque esos colores, I'm just going to name it search color for now, but I don't want it to name it that. I don't know what color it is yet. That's why I am naming this for now. But this looks like it's a light. Oh my gosh. This is like a lighter purple. I'm just gonna need a search color for now. Listo. I think this is the last piece of this. Let's see here. Yo, there it is. So it looks almost the same. I just need to add this icon here, and I need to make sure. Yeah, I think I'm close. The colors don't look the same though. I don't know why they don't look the same. Oh, because I'm not using the right purple. Huh. What purple is the one I'm using? Let's take a look here. What purple am I using? I'm gonna fix this last piece and then we got it. El purple, we're using purple 40. Let's change this for now. This is gonna be the purple that we're using. Let's run it. Y ahora sí se ve, como se ve, así, listo. Estamos bien. Sisas. Este color todavía no pega. ¿Qué color es este? Okay, gotta change these colors. I don't know what color I'm gonna call this. I'm just gonna call this one gray. Control. Y estos colores, vamos acá, we're going here. Yep, I am getting close to the end of the stream, y'all. I'm just warning y'all, not warning y'all, but letting y'all know that I'm probably gonna raid somebody. If y'all go over there and let them know that your boy Fro is sending the raid. I'm just kidding. Y'all don't gotta do nothing like that. But I really, I'm gonna say my closing statements here in a second. because tonight was really dope to see y'all come out. To be honest, made my day. So that was for that one, and then I need it for the next to do, which is up here, right? Yeah, here. Okay. Yo creo que hasta aquí va a ser. Vamos a ver. This is a little big, it looks like. I have padding here. It looks like no pin channels. Where? But this pattern is. I think this pattern. Hold on. Oh no. I do need that pattern because it's. What? Es que esta vaina se ve bien extraña. Ya veo. I see why. Okay. Because this box is in a column. So then I want to push this a little bit higher. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to. Oh, this is something. Okay, no, I'm not gonna worry about that. I need to fix this alignment here, but I'll do it later. Todo bien. Listo. Let me just. I'll send a screenshot to my wife. Last one. And then let me say. Okay. Dope. Muchas gracias, gente, por venir hoy en día. La verdad, brother, se les agradece bastante. I really appreciate y'all coming out. I am getting ready to head out. But we gotta find somebody on Twitch that we wanna. I'm on to set up. Uy, brother, gracias. Mira. Todo por mi esposa, te lo digo. Como dije, de este lado, tengo el One Piece. No sé si lo puede ver. Uy, I'm hitting it. Here you go. I got One Piece. Then I got Zelda. Tengo las tortugas ninjas. A ver el recorrido. O sea, el cuarto. Este es el cuarto, no hay más. No está hasta aquí. Esto es todo. Ahí está la puerta y eso es todo. Que lo quieres ver más de cerca, es lo que dices. Sí, oh, más de cerca. I got you, bro. Oh, Meta Dev Girl is on. Okay. I'm gonna send them over there. Send y'all over there. Yo, Rick Phillip, what's up, bro? Yo, I didn't even know you were here, bro. The Afrobeats hit different. Currently playing some World of Warcraft and vibing hard, but that's what's up, man. I did not know you play World of Warcraft. That's my shit too, just so you know. I stopped playing for a while. Teclado, pantalla, cámara. el piano atrás. Bro, aquí, yo no sé si tú sabes, yo hacía pistas y pude grabar Nicky Jam. El duro de Nicky Jam. Pude grabar Nicky Jam. But yeah, let me see. Yo próximamente tendré una parcera que iré equipando. Poco a poco espero no tener problemas graves. no sé qué. Una pecera. Uy, dang. Suerte. Good luck. All right. That's what's up, Rick Phillip. I appreciate you coming through, bro. I'm going to show a little bit of the room real quick. And you already know I fucks with the Afrobeats. That's my shit, bro. I'm in dungeons. I can't switch off that much since I'm grinding at speed. That's what's up, bro. I stopped grinding about 3 months ago, but I love it. We gotta talk about World of Warcraft. All right, bet, bro. Appreciate it. Mira, ahí está el perrito. Para que vean, hold on. Let me see. Ahí está el perrito. Right, I got a little doggo. He chilling. That's the door. La puerta. No, I can't move the camera. I can't get closer. Pero allá atrás you can see. Tengo a Zelda Tailspin. Tengo a las tortugas ninjas. el One Piece. And that's it, bro. I got the TV, my light, the keyboard, the mic. See the keyboard right here. El clicky clicky clacky. Y la pantalla aquí está. I got the ultra wide. You already know. Ojalá eso fue un tourcito. A little tour of it. Oh man. El perrito, qué buen el tour está. Y mira, I got a dead plant right here too. Oh man, es una planta de mango que estoy tratando de hacer crecer. Ahora ya conozco más tu setup. Sí, sabes, brother. Solo tienes que preguntar. Yo sin pelos en la lengua. Aquí todo sale. We chilling. Listo, my peeps. Let's see. I'ma send y'all to Meta Dev Girl. It looks like she is in a really, what's she up to? She's in a Google Startup School, Gen AI. She is doing her, like, learning about, I guess, Gen AI. I don't know. I want to send everybody to Meta Dev Girl, but I want to make sure, check if anybody's doing Kotlin. Nobody's doing Kotlin. And Java, nobody. Is this person doing Java? No, she's not. All right. Listo. ¿Por qué es lo único que no se muere tan rápido? Bro, es que yo tengo uno, pero se me murió. Por eso me río. Oh, man. Dope, y'all. Coding with strangers. I've seen some of his stuff. He's on here. Yeah. Meta Dev Girl, she's in the zone though. 2 full sessions, she can go to bed. She's in the zone, so I don't know if she's gonna interact with y'all. But I would love to send y'all her way. She has some good stuff. I think for now though, I'm gonna send y'all to Coding with Strangers because I've never interacted with him and I want to use this as an opportunity to interact with somebody else. Yeah. Oh, no, ahora ya me da miedo matar mi cactus. Oh, bro. Mira, para mí se me muere rapidísimo, así que no te preocupes, el tuyo no se va a morir porque ya yo lo hice por ti. But let's raid your boy Coding with Strangers. Let's see if that works. Listo. Muchas gracias, compadres. Thank y'all so much for coming out to the stream. I really appreciate y'all like 100%. I will see y'all in the morning. Espero que tengan un bonito día. Como dice la película de Avengers, una vida por otra vida. Tú sabes que sí. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Thank you so much. Peace. Yo no acuerdo.